Welcome, robot enthusiasts, to the new RECF Robotics Competition season in Australia. My name's Gary Law, and I'm proud to serve as the REC Foundation International Partner for Australia, working through my non-profit organisation, ASTEM Incorporated. For me, this is about much more than running tournaments. My mission has always been simple: to put students at the centre of everything we do, because robotics competitions can be one of the most powerful learning experiences a young person can have. Competition gives students a reason to take everything they've learned and put it into action. They learn to design, they learn to program, they learn to solve problems when things don't work, and they learn how to communicate, collaborate, and perform under pressure. And perhaps most importantly, they discover that failing, rebuilding, and trying again is simply a part of engineering. The trophy might be what everyone sees at the end, but the real achievement is the student who walks away more confident, more capable, and more excited about what they can create next. And that's exactly the kind of competition environment we want to build with RECF in Australia. An environment that is open, welcoming, and accessible to more students. RECF competitions can support multiple robotics platforms, including platforms such as LEGO Education, creating new opportunities for students to compete using technologies they may already know and love. We also want competition to extend beyond the traditional school team. Whether you represent a school, robotics club, community organisation, academy, or independent team, there should be a place for passionate young people to participate. The goal is simple: more students doing robotics, more students building, more students coding, more students competing, and more students discovering where STEM might take them. We also want our events to feel different. Competitive? Absolutely. But also friendly, supportive, and inclusive. A place where teams want to win, but where students also congratulate their opponents, share ideas, make friends, and leave looking forward to the next tournament. Because we're not just trying to build great robots, we're trying to build a great robotics community. And for teams who want to take that journey even further, there is something extraordinary waiting at the end of the pathway. RECF teams will have the opportunity to work towards qualification for the REC Foundation World Championships in St. Louis, USA in 2027. For Australian students, that means the robot they begin building in a classroom, club, or garage could ultimately take them all the way to an international championship stage. That is a journey we want Australian teams to believe is possible. But none of this happens without people. Every great robotics tournament begins with someone willing to create an opportunity for students. So I want to speak directly to the Australian robotics community, particularly the volunteers, teachers, mentors, and organisers who have helped run competitions in the past. We need you. If you have ever thought about running an event, this is your opportunity to become an RECF event partner. And you will not be doing it alone. Through ASTEM Incorporated, we will work alongside our event partners with the technical knowledge, competition experience, and practical support needed to help get events running successfully. Our job is to make it easier for passionate people around Australia to create great competitions for their local communities. Because the more event partners we have, the more tournaments we can run. And the more tournaments we run, the more students get the chance to compete. So whether you're an experienced competition team, a teacher thinking about starting your own robotics program, or a community group looking for something extraordinary for young people, this season is for you. Find some teammates, build something, program it, break it, fix it, improve it, and bring it to a competition. Meet people who are just as obsessed with robotics as you are, and see how far you can go. Robotics is at its best when we give young people somewhere to test their ideas, challenge themselves, and discover what they're capable of. That is the community we are building. That is the opportunity ahead of us, and this is only the beginning. Welcome to RECF Robotics Australia. Let's build something incredible.